How to install the Revolute app on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install the Revolute app on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the search section. Now from here, you simply have to tap on the search bar at the top, and now after that, you simply have to search for Revolute. And now here, once you search for it, simply tap on Revolute from the result page. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the interface like this. So here, once you see the interface like this, just tap on the install button, and after that, the installation process will start. And now here, you just have to wait for some time for it to install on your device. And now, once it's installed on your device, you can just tap on the open button to launch the app. And that's it. That's how you can install the Revolute app on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.